Volkswagen, das Auto.
Okay, so here we have the comparison between the two items. This is the new one that I've just received today, and despite initially a long waiting time, it was delivered very quickly. And this is the old one that I have just removed. Now, you're going to find plenty of videos showing you how to remove the wiper. But the most important thing is really to open this, unscrew this bit, and then pry it open slightly, placing a flat screwdriver on this side and on the other side, and it'll come off easily. And then obviously you have to unscrew the motor, right, that is fitted into here with 3 screws. And essentially what you need for this is this little bad boy, and this is what I think it's 13, is it? No, I'm lying, it's 10. It's 10 mils. And let's see, I'm gonna wipe it clean obviously here around the edges. As you can see, plenty of stuff kind of accumulated. And let's see over here as well. And I'm just going to install the new one. Okay, so this part received a good clean. This is basically some uncleanable residue, but if we go up, you can also see here a good wipe with water and with a paper towel, actually 2 paper towels. Okay, so this is installed seal. So we have our new seal. I did give it a good clean up as it was hanging off the car here. Right, it was hanging on this, and I cleaned it up, put the screws back in. Don't worry, these are basically connected together. So the piece together with this metal support, and naturally we have this. So now I'm just gonna install the wiper, but again I need 2 hands, so therefore the video is not going to be there until I well, technically I have to pause it, and we'll do a test. Right, obviously I have some water here, and we're going to do a test. We'll see if there's any water getting through inside, and if it does, I'm gonna have to think of something else, probably using some kind of silicone underneath before I place this back in, but let's hope it's gonna work. Okay, so this is back on. Hopefully this is working. It's done properly. You have to make sure that your wiper is not kind of sagging a little bit too much this way. Anyways, we're going to give it a go in a moment. Right, do a water test. It's on. Okay, cool. So let's see. Alright, so we put a bit of water there. Let's see. This is not the water in here, right? See my finger? It's dry. So it seems the new seal is holding on, right? And I did put a little bit of sprinkler water and then half a litre, just above half a litre, because I used some water earlier. I want to be accurate. And there is no water inside, not on the seal. So I think mission accomplished. We have the seal sorted, we have the drainage pipe sorted. Right over here, bit wet here, nothing here though. Yeah, mission accomplished, that's it. So we've done what we are, well, what probably some of you will have to do anyway when the car gets a bit older, and that is essentially replace the seal over on the window by the wiper, and possibly replace the drainage pipe over here when this lip deteriorates and it's broken completely. So yeah, well, I hope this video is useful. I mean, how to remove the wiper is pretty simple. I'm just going to go back to it for 1 second. You just open this bit, right? You unscrew this, and then you put the screwdriver in here, right in between this and that. You pry it a little bit here, pry it a little bit underneath, and this will come off easily. And then right after that, what you will be doing is you will be unscrewing the three pieces here, and then gently, after obviously the wiper is removed, you can gently pull it out and leave it gently hanging over here. Now be careful of your head. I had a couple of near misses with this bit, and it's not gentle in case you hit it. Now I don't have all of my stuff with me, I have it in the other house, but once I put it back together, obviously this is gonna come on the video. Well, technically it's gonna be within this video. You're just gonna see it straight away. But for me, it's gonna be yet another day or two before I put everything back together. I hope it was useful, and yeah, good luck with your work, and drop me a comment if you like. I'll try to help, although I am not a professional mechanic, as I said this I think earlier in the first video, but I'll try to help. So yeah, see you later. Okay, and for comparison, essentially this is the amount of water that is there used in testing, so it's quite good. Still the seal holds, and maybe at some point I'm going to do an update based on basically driving in the rain.
Volkswagen, das Auto.